Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And if you're watching this video, it means that we are going to spend together a really good quality time, because it will help you to make your experience in trading much better. I will start with just $5 on my deposit, and you should watch this video till the end so you will see step by step how I made my result. We are going to trade with the help of Parabolic SAR indicator. If you're my new subscriber or you just watch my video for the first time, I should tell you this, that I have many videos about how to trade with Parabolic SAR indicator, so you can see them as well and see how I trade in different market situations. Also, I have other videos with other types of indicators, so also you can check it out if you are interested in them as well, because it will help you to boost your experience in trading. And as you know, you should train, try, and then your experience will get day by day better and better. Put a big thumbs up in advance so I see you are happy to see my new video. Also subscribe to my channel if you are a new subscriber or you watch my videos but you didn't subscribe yet, and of course turn on notification button so you don't miss my new videos. And I have a closed group where I'm sharing my trading signals for free, and if you want to get into this group, then you should text me a code word signal on my Telegram. I left the link in the description box, and once you will get into this group, then you will be welcomed in our trading family. So guys, let's get started. So guys, today we are going to trade with you using Parabolic SAR indicator, and this indicator will help us to identify pivot points and prompt further price movement. As you can see, this indicator is already connected to me. It looks like yellow dots at the top and the bottom of our graph. Now I will remind you what is the signal to open a deal. And this signal is the moment when yellow dots begin to appear on top of our chart. This situation tells us that the downward movement is expected, and here we could open a deal for going down. Also, when the points begin to approach directly to the candles themselves, this situation tells us that the points will soon begin to appear from below our chart, which in turn also tells us that an upward movement is expected. Also, when the points begin to form with the larger distance from each other, this situation suggests that a good confident unidirectional movement is expected. Also, for example, with downtrends, it is best to wait for the points on top of our chart and open downtrend deals. Similarly, when there is an uptrend, it is best to wait for the points from the bottom of our chart and open deals to increase. That is according to the uptrend. You can enter into a deal when the dots are just beginning to appear, and also if they have been forming for some time. It all depends on the specific market situation. And also, of course, do not forget that this indicator is an auxiliary tool of technical analysis. So first of all, we pay attention to the support and resistance levels, and only then we take into account hints of this indicator, because only combination of technical analysis and this indicator together will give us a good result. And today we'll try to work on good situations in the market, and mostly all the situations are similar to each other in trading, because in trading everything repeated. And of course, similar situations you can find quite often. So guys, I want you to watch this video till the end so you don't miss important things and you can learn how to work with this indicator. So let's start it and find the first situation in the market. Here at the top, guys, we have a resistance level, and we also see that there is a good confident uptrend going on here. The price is approaching the resistance level, and let's open a deal for 1 minute to go up. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level, because the price has an excellent potential to go up. The indicator also confirms our entry point. A yellow dots form at the bottom of the graph. So friends, let's wait for them to follow a deal, and it's our first deal, so we'll see what kind of result we will get. Great friends, the price slowed down a bit, but still the upward movement continued. Also, this level has been broken through and we get a gorgeous confident profit, guys. The price has really great potential to increase. The indicator gave us a really good entry point. Not a bad start, I think. Let's continue and find another situation on the market. Here we have a level of support. We also see that after the rollback, the price has again approached our level and is already starting to break through it. Let's open a deal for 1 minute for a decrease. The price has an excellent potential for a decline. I think that this level will be broken in the near future. The indicator also confirms our entry point. Yellow dots are forming from above, which means that the downward movement is expected in the near future. So friends, let's wait for the result. It's quite good, the price really continued to move down, the level was broken, we made a profit. This situation works fine, let's continue and consider another situation on the market. Here at the top we have a resistance level. We also see that at the moment the price is already starting to break through this level. So let's open a deal for 1 minute to go up. I think that this level will be broken in the near future. Also the overall price potential is going up. Also points are forming at the bottom of our chart, which means that an upward movement is expected in the near future. And so guys, let's wait for the result. That's quite good, guys. This level was indeed broken through and the price continued to move up and we made a profit. So everything is going great. Let's continue. Here we have a resistance level. We also see that the price has reached our level and there is a certain compression. In this situation, it's just opening a deal for 2 minutes to go up. I think that this level will be broken in the near future because the price has an excellent potential to increase. The indicator also confirms our entry point. Yellow dots form from the low and 2 minutes also with a margin. Take into account possible pro trade or a small pullback down, since it's quite possible that after a confident impulse approach to the level, the price will fall into a pro trading zone. It has been moving in this range for some time at the moment, but as a rule in such situation 2 minutes will be quite enough. So guys, let's wait for the result. So guys, as you can see, the price begins to break through this level and we managed to close our deal with profits. So 2 minutes was just enough for us. Let's continue. Here we see that there was an uptrend. There is also a resistance level at the top. The price touched this level and there was a pullback down. And after a while, the price turned around and moved up again. The main price lows are also getting higher. At the same time, yellow dots are formed under our graph. In this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to increase. I think that in the near future, the price will definitely continue to move towards the level, since the overall price potential is also going up. 2 minutes with the margin. Taking into account possible pro trade or a small pullback down. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Good. Indeed, there was a pullback down, but after that, the upward movement continued and we made a profit. 2 minutes in this situation was enough for us. So guys, everything is going great. Let's continue. Here we see that there is a good confident downtrend. Also, there is still space for the support level. In this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 3 minutes to go down. I think that in the near future, the downtrend will continue to move directly to the very level of support. And after all, the price has an excellent potential for a decline. The indicator also confirms our entry point. Yellow dots form on top of the graph, and I think in this situation 3 minutes will be quite enough for us, even taking into account possible pro trade or a small pullback up. And so guys, let's wait for the result. I think that's quite good, guys. The price really continued to move down and we made a profit. The price has an excellent potential for a decline and the indicator also gave us a good entry point. So guys, let's consider another situation on the market. Here we see that there was an uptrend. There is also a resistance level at the top. After touching the level, there was a rollback, and after the rollback, the price again approached our level. In this situation, we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. Also, our entry point is confirmed by the indicator. A yellow dot appeared from below, which means that an upward movement is expected, and also the price as a whole has an extra potential to increase. There is certain compression of the resistance level. I think that in the near future this level will be broken and 2 minutes will be quite enough for us, even taking into account possible pro trade. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. So friends, the price slowed down a bit, but still the upward movement continued. This level was broken through and we made a profit. The indicator gave us a good entry point, also the price has an excellent potential to increase. Everything is going great. Let's continue and find another situation on the market. We have a level of support down here. We also see that after touching the level there was an upward pullback, and after the pullback the price moves back to our level. Let's open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that the price will certainly continue to move towards the level since the price has an extra potential for a decline. The indicator also confirms our entry point. I think that in this situation 2 minutes will be quite enough for us, even taking into account possible pro trade. After all, as you may have noticed, this situation worked out perfectly. And so guys, let's wait for the result. That is not bad, guys. The price really continued to move up the level. We made a profit. The indicator gave us a good entry point, and let's continue. Let's consider another situation on the market. Here we have a resistance level. We also see that there has been a rollback from the level, and at the moment there is a certain compression of our level. Also, the overall price potential is going up, and at the same time yellow dots are formed under the graph, and this means that an upward movement is expected. We will open a deal for 2 minutes to increase. Price lows are also getting higher. I think that this level will be broken in the near future, and 2 minutes will be quite enough for us. And so friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. This is good guys. The price really continued to move up and the level was broken. We made a profit. This indicator again gave us a good entry point, and let's continue. Let's look for another situation on the market. Here we see that there was a good confident uptrend, and also after touching the resistance level there was a pullback down, and after the pullback the price turned around and moved up again. We'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. The price here has also good potential to increase. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level. The indicator also confirms our entry point. Yellow dots form at the bottom of the graph. I think that 2 minutes here will be quite enough, guys, even taking into account the possible pro trade. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's not bad. The price really continued to move up and we made a profit. The price has an excellent potential to increase. The indicator also gave us a good entry point. So guys, let's continue and find another situation on the market. Here we see the level of support. We also see that after pullback the price turned around and came back to our level. There is a kind of compression. Here we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. The price has an excellent potential for a decline. It is more likely that this level will be broken, and the indicator also confirms our entry point. Yellow dots form above the graph, and I think that in this situation 2 minutes will be quite enough for us, guys. So let's wait for the end of our deal. That's great, guys. There was a rollback up, but after that this level was broken through and we made a profit. The price really has a good potential for a decline. The indicator also gave us a good entry point, and I propose to open another last deal for today. So I will just look for another situation on the market and we will continue. Guys, here we see that there was an uptrend. The price has confidently approached the resistance level. After touching there was a rollback down, and after a while the price turned around and came back to our level. In this situation I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to increase, since the overall price potential is also going to increase. The main price lows are getting higher. The indicator also confirms our entry point. Yellow dots form from below. I think that in this situation 2 minutes will be quite enough for us, even taking into account possible pro trade or a small pullback down. Just at the moment there has been a small rollback. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. I think that's a really great result, guys. As you can see, after the pullback down, the upward movement continued with the good impulsed green candle. This level was broken and we get a gorgeous confident profit. 2 minutes was just enough for us. The price has an excellent potential to increase. Also, indicator gave us a good entry point, and meanwhile I already have $3,000 on deposit. I think we will end here because I fulfilled plan for today, and so I just fix the price and leave the market. That's it for today, guys, and as you might notice that all the situations in the market, they are somehow similar to each other, and that's what I was talking about in the beginning of our video. As you can see, they all worked out themselves perfectly. As I always say, with the right approach and a good trading experience, this strategy works perfectly. And I'm really glad that you watched this video till the end, so it means that you learned some new ways how to trade with Parabolic SAR indicator. If you're for the first time watching this video, you want to work with Parabolic SAR indicator, then now you know how to work with it and how this indicator works. So put a big thumbs up to this video. If you didn't put it yet, subscribe to this channel and turn on notification buttons. And of course, I have a closed group where I'm sharing my trading signals. It's totally for free, guys. If you want to get into this group, you should text me a code word signal on my Telegram. I left the link in the description box, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.